What's up, coffee lovers? You already know what time it is, right? It's coffee time with Capi Man4Liquid. So I woke up today, I wasn't feeling much like making art, so I decided to take my portafilter. I inserted it to the group head of the coffee machine. Then I had to extract my espresso. So I had to extract a double shot of espresso. So after I extracted the espresso, then I was like, oh, should I just drink this signature drink like this? Oh, what should I do? So I was having like 50 different ideas in my head. At first, I just had to swirl it to see if I should just take it like that. But as a coffee lover and as a beginner content creator, I always love to improvise. So I went down, I took my milk, and in this part, I was using a low fat milk. Yeah, so I was using a low fat milk. I had to poach the steam one. After poaching it, then I went straight into steaming. And by steaming, you need to get a perfect texture. But since I wasn't feeling well as of making latte art, because I wanted to try something new, so I just went ahead and just steam it. After the steaming, I had to take my coffee cup. Then I had to mix the signature. If you want the signature, you can ask in the comment section. I will tell you what was inside. So after doing that, now I had to swirl my milk, then gently pour it into the coffee and let the milk penetrate the coffee. Then I just had to do a little beginner's art on top. After that, I was like, this is not good. We need to change it. We need to change it. So I got my chocolate sauce. So I had to drizzle it on top to come out with a beautiful pattern. So apart of that one, you just stay tuned and you watch, okay? And tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Yeah, so I had to change. Then at this point, I also had to use the caramel sauce. Mhm. The reason I use the sauce is because the sauces can sustain on top of the foam, like the creamer on top of the coffee. But if you use the normal syrup, it will definitely sink under. So it's always good to use the sauce. Then at this point, yes, I started making the beautiful spider webs. Yeah. Please, if you like what I'm doing, feel free to comment, you share, and you subscribe for more coffee tips, more coffee art. Yeah, now you see it. It's screaming, drink me, drink me, drink me. So you see, now let me show you people the final touch. Take a look at it. Come on, guys. Give me a thumbs up in the comment section, alright? Hopefully, we'll see you shortly.